Your teacher ever tries to take away your phone during class? Don't let them. Because one time, I had a class with a super strict teacher who never let anyone use their phone. Like if she even saw it slightly slipping out of your pocket, she took it away. So I never dared to go on it during class, except for this one day, where the group chat I had with my friends kept going off because everyone was arguing. And I was getting roasted in it, so obviously, I had to defend myself, and I was texting during class. And I thought I was being slick until my teacher saw me and took my phone away, which wouldn't have been that big of a deal if it weren't for the fact that it was still unlocked when she grabbed it. And like I said, she hated when people tried using their phone, so she said to me, "What's so important that you need to use your phone during class?" And she read the messages we were sending in the group chat. And let's just say, those messages may or may not have had some Diddy jokes that she definitely did not understand.